Today we're making bacon bits. Nothing better than starting the day off with 6 packs of bacon in front of you. Today we had some bacon on sale, and I'm telling you, Bob's Bacon is going to be the winner today. This bacon is not great for strips or wrapping jalapenos, let's say, or for a lot of different things. You can see what it is. It's kind of the cut off ends, and you can tell that it's just sort of everything mushed together. So we're going to make bacon bits out of this. And I just like to cut this up into various sizes, whatever you can kind of manage from what's in front of you. We're going to get all this chopped up. We're going to get it in the pan, cold pan, just in chunks, nothing fancy. Don't need to separate it. We'll get the heat going, and we're going to basically deep fry this bacon in its own fat. It's going to be amazing. And what you're going to want to do is just keep mixing it, stirring it, until it starts to break down. You'll see. And you're probably saying, Chris, what have you done with the bacon? There's way too much bacon in that pan. Wait and see. This is going to take about 30 minutes. So now we're about 5 minutes in. I want to show you here. You can see that we're already rendering off a whole lot of liquid, whole lot of fat, bit of water, bit of fat. It's kind of a mixture of both. We want to just keep that going. We need to render off the fat. And then we need the water to come out of the bacon as well. And when the water comes out of the bacon, we're going to cook off the water, and we're going to be deep frying right in the bacon fat. It's going to make the best bacon bits you've ever had. And the bacon fat, we're going to save that too. We're going to put it in little medallions and freeze it in the freezer. And anytime you need a bit of bacon fat for anything, you got it right there ready to go. When I can kind of tell the bacon is ready is when the bubbles cover the top so much, so small bubbles that you can't even see the bacon anymore. And you can see we're getting really close. So now here we can barely see the bacon, only a little bit through, and you can see the bacon is completely finished. Get this poured out and drained. So we just want that drained over top of this grate. Don't worry about all those bits and pieces. We'll get all those after. So good.